Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're diving into something truly mind-blowing. The 2026 GMC Savana van, completely redesigned for the modern era while keeping that rugged, dependable DNA it's always been known for. This isn't just a van anymore. It's a luxury on wheels experience with the power and comfort to rival even high-end SUVs. So buckle up, because what GMC has done with the new Savana will leave you speechless. From the very first glance, the 2026 GMC Savana commands attention. The bold, muscular stance and signature GMC grille give it a dominating road presence, while the LED matrix headlights and sleek aerodynamic lines show that this van means business. It's built for those who want versatility. Whether you're a family, traveler, or business owner, this van adapts to your lifestyle effortlessly. Step inside, and the transformation is unreal. The cabin feels like a first-class suite. Plush leather captain chairs with full recline and massage functions make long journeys a dream. The new ambient lighting system adds a premium vibe, while the massive panoramic roof floods the cabin with natural light. GMC went all out with the infotainment. A huge 15-inch touchscreen with next-gen connectivity, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an AI-powered assistant that responds to your voice instantly. Under the hood, the 2026 Savana comes with two options: a refined 6.6-liter V8 engine and a fully electric variant that can go over 400 miles on a single charge. The power delivery is smooth and the handling feels surprisingly agile for a van of this size. Whether you're towing, hauling, or cruising down the highway, the Savana performs like a pro. Now let's talk about the comfort and practicality. GMC has completely reimagined the rear space. Configurable seating, foldable work tables, hidden storage, and even a mini fridge setup make it perfect for road trips or mobile business use. There's also a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, wireless charging pads, and top-tier sound insulation that keeps the cabin whisper quiet even at high speeds. Safety-wise, it's loaded. Adaptive cruise control, 360-degree cameras, lane assist, collision avoidance, and self-parking technology all come standard. This van isn't just powerful. It's smart, safe, and incredibly efficient. The 2026 GMC Savana is proof that vans can be luxurious, intelligent, and downright exciting. It's not just transportation, it's transformation on wheels. So if you're ready to upgrade your lifestyle, the Savana might just be your perfect partner for 2026 and beyond. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews of the world's most advanced vehicles.